Did you know that door handing is one of the most argued topics in glazing? Well, if you don't, trust me, it's one of the fastest ways to get into a pretty intense conversation. Is it left hand? Is it right hand? Is it in? Is it out? Is it reverse? So let's take a look. This is a door, and it swings out and towards me. Pretty simple, right? Well, it's not. And unfortunately, this disagreement comes from a few different sources. From the manufacturing and how they label their parts, to how people were taught at school, to the good old, I've been doing this for so many years. So let's break this down. First, you need to understand how to look at a door. The correct way to look at it is from the outside of the building, or from the outside of a room in case of like a hallway or an internal door. The second easy thing to do is to think about which way the door swings, either to the right or to the left. So naturally, we would want to use that term. Easy, right? When you're looking at certain parts like an offset pivot, you'll notice that they're labeled either right or left. And this is where a lot of the confusion comes in, because if both doors are swinging in, well, that's perfect. But what happens when they need to swing out? Well, then we just have to reverse it. And that's because manufacturers only make 2 parts, not 4 different ones. Because let's face it, they're the same, and they're not going to spend the money on relabeling the same 2 parts 4 different ways. The solution is understanding the manufacturing and terminology, as long as we can all agree to agree. In this case, calling all of the doors either left hand or right hand, and then adding words like reverse when it's moving in the opposite direction. Why we went with reverse instead of just out, I don't know, but that is the correct way. If you want to learn more about this topic, make sure you check out our course on door handing. I'll leave a link in the description. And as always, to learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button here at the bottom somewhere. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.